Do you struggle to get specific and useful answers from ChatGPT? Do you feel that you could get a lot more of it, but maybe you don't know how to ask the right way? Well, at the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do the right questions to get the right answers. Because I'm going to teach you step by step 5 prompt engineering formulas. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you my personalized GPT so you can do this really fast and professional. Okay, so let's get into it, and we go first with the context because every good prompt starts with a why, and we have to assign a role to ChatGPT. Okay, so we're going to do it with the next formula. Act as expert role to help profession who wants to specific goal with AI. So let's do it like this. Act as a productivity consultant to help a professional who wants to understand how AI can improve their workflows and save time. And also, here, an important thing that we often forget is that AI works also with empathy. So here, you can add a why this is important for you. So we can add something like because the person is concerned about not understanding the scope and depth that AI can have in their work methodology. So here we are talking in third person, but you can talk in first person too. Okay, so let's go to the second formula, which is the task. And here we have to define clearly what's the action that we want ChatGPT to do. The formula will be generate type of content for channel platform, for example, with time frame. So here we paste what we want is generate 3 automation ideas for my daily work in next 2 weeks. So now we have to explain how, because we have right now like the context, we have the why, what this is important, we have the what, and now how we need to AI do this, and this leads us to instructions. Okay, so the formula will be use a tone type tone with format length. This is the formula that we are going to use in this particular prompt. Obviously, the instructions part is really depending on what you need and what's your specific case, okay? But this is an idea. And remember that at the end, I'm gonna give you anyway the GPT personalized so you can, in natural language, just ask what you want and the GPT will help you with all the formulas and adaptations that you need to do for your natural context. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the button of like because we're gonna give you a lot of more like formulas and all of that so you can do this really fast. So don't worry, let's paste this here. Use a clear professional tone with explanations up to 100 words. That's what we want in this case, but as I told you, this will completely depend on what you need. So the next step is clarifications because when we ask ChatGPT to do something, we will not have all the possible context here, right? So we have to leave AI to ask us questions, okay? So he can do a better job for us. So we're gonna use this formula. If I don't provide key data, ask me before generating the response. We paste it if we don't specify the type of task. In this case, I want to automate, ask me. As easy as that, and this will help you a lot. So he will give you those ideas of things that maybe you are not thinking about, and of course you'll get a better answer. And the next step is refinement. We have to active the loop of improvement with this formula. After the first version, I will ask you adjust element based on criteria. And here we go. After the first version, I will adjust it based on time saved. Basically, we are saying here that based on time saved, with these ideas, we're going to test the results of the answer. So here we will be improving this with ChatGPT as our copilot. And now you know this process that you can do with ChatGPT. But you know, of course, that the really important part of all of this is automatization, like how to make this faster, right? Maybe not thinking that much with those formula. That's why I'm gonna give you the GPT personalized that I created for this specific thing. And of course, I will teach you how to create for yourself in the next video of the series to make this more professional for you. So the link for the GPT personalized is gonna be down below. You can open in a new tab and you can see the next video of how to create these systems that will help you to improve your productivity quickly.